Change management. Hey, listen, change, as they say, is inevitable. What does that mean? Well, change management is a process of basically managing changes to the project's triple constraint, in my humble opinion, which is scope, schedule, budget, as well as quality or any other aspects. Change management, when you have a solid change management board in place, it really supports your projects from getting in. And reason why I say that, because when you have a great change management in place, documentation is going to be conversation. Documentation is going to be conversation. And the only reason why I said that twice is because it's true. When you have a good CAB, what they call change management board, you'll be able. They will make sure that you document what are you going to do. What's your go forward plan? What if this doesn't work? What's your fallback plan? And who's the resources we need to contact if we can't get a hold of you. So again, family, a good change management board or just change management in general is definitely, as we say, change is inevitable on a, I say inevitable, sound like an edible, no, anyway, but inevitable on a particular project.